Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you turn on emojis on iPhone. So to turn on emojis on iPhone, at first you need to go to your phone settings. Now into your phone settings, you need to go to General. So click on General. And after that, here you can see under date and time, the keyboard option, click on it. After clicking on keyboard, the first option in the top is keyboards. Click on it. Now here you can see the last option is add new keyboard. Click on it. After clicking on it, just scroll down and you will see the option is emoji here. Click on emoji and your emoji option is done. Now you can just use emoji anywhere you want. So guys, that's how you can turn on emojis on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.